So, because it doesn't relate it together at all, man. So now we are going to pick up, if you want to be thin, we are going to pick just a thin sweeper. And then it will create like a 5 different line or strokes for you at a time. And you go back and do the other end. If happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds. All right. And I still have the other end to use for the next nails. See how fun and simple it is? And I'm gonna go ahead and using the no wipe top coat, because we're gonna create some 40 gels. And cure for 30 seconds only. All right, because the no wipe top coat will grab really well for yours 40 gels. So with the 40 gel to create this 3D flower is really simple. All you need is just a jar of your 40 gels, and then your dual 3D brush. And I'm gonna get my dot tool and pick like 5 different petals. So what I make is sunflowers. Can I get one plate? So a first layer, we want to do 3 beads the same size. This size about what? This is really easy, and you can do 3 of them in the same size first. You can do it smaller, bigger, however you would like. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. All right, here is golden. I like this colors a lot besides high noons and yellow sun. This is really, it's beautiful and happy color. So I'm gonna do right in the centers, one. And I'm gonna do one on the top. And then one on this side. All right, so now you do not need any alcohol, any acetone at all, or even the water. So using the tips of your dual end 3D brush, press it, release, press, release. We have a lot of questions for this, and then for the weaver gels. And you can start seeing it creates really nice crease on the petals right now. So I'm gonna do it this one. And don't have to worry about if it's gonna be perfect yet. Is the best thing about 40 gels is not going to cure until you are final places under LED lights. Thank you, Mika. Press it down. So now if you can see that is your petals going the way you want, and then you can start adjusting it, perfect it. If you are going to do is one layer and then do another layer, you will never go wrong with this. I have so much fun, and it's just give me so much idea to create it. Doesn't give me a hard time at all. And it tag free after you are going to cure. Press and release. And then using the tips of this, and you can just draw just a little bit on the end, right in the center of your petal, to create it looks a natural looks. And you can blend this down because we are going to. So now here's option you can do is the big centers of the sunflowers, or you can put crystals on, however you would like. All right, so I'm gonna key it for really quick, like 10 seconds. Do another layer. You can stop right here and then do a centers, or you can do another layer. Okay. Hey Jenny, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. And on second layers, you can do the same size, or you can do a smaller. It's really up to you. This is going to really a game changer for a lot of you love 3D flowers and having a little bit of a troubleshootings with 3D flowers create with acrylic or liquid and powder, because with liquid and powders you have to get certain time, otherwise it's gonna set. It's not going to go the way you want it. I just need 10 seconds though. How long have you here?
Like 20.
I'm gonna do the second layers. I am going to place it right and between two petals.
Hey Jenny, thank you for the badge.
Oh, thanks so much, Jenny, for the badge. Thanks so much for the love and support. So I'm gonna press it down. Press. If yours with me and you are working with me, work along with me. Let me know if you have any questions, or even all of you watching. Did you have questions during the time you're working? And just press it gentle. You don't have to be really aggressive. All right. Press it again. I'm doing it right in the middle of the two petals. You see that if you do a second layer. All right. And blend this one down. Now you have a second layer of your sunflowers. You can do smaller. It doesn't have to be big. Sometimes I love the big sunflowers. You can see that how it's just like sculpting nicely for you. Great, so I'm going to flash key for 10 seconds. And then we are either, it's up to you, either using Honest Brow from a 40, so it's make it look so dark, it's look dark for the center of the sunflowers, or you can do is cacao. Cacao is a little bit lighter, so which one?
This do the lighter one.
The lighter one or the darker one?
The lighter one.
Okay.
So you have like a frappuccino versus like pure chocolate.
Okay. You think sunflower is gonna be centers is like a little bit darker than you do it's in the truss?
Not that dark. It's just because like around it's so bright color, so make you think the center is super dark.
Are you sure?
It's a high contrast of color.
Sure. Okay, I'll take your word for it. If it turn out not, great. Yes, Jenny, you are right. It is so easy to scripting it. Like it's absolutely effortless. So place one beads. It's about the same size as the beads I did in the first centers, and then if you feel like it's too big, but you watch how I'm doing it, if it's too big, right? You just need to take it off. This is a great thing about, so you can definitely adjusting it as you go. You know what? I think I like this darker one though. I think. just gonna blend it. I don't know, I like the darker one. But I did so many times with darker ones or hues, I suggest do lighter. Look at that. You think? Looks not bad, huh? So I'm gonna blend it, make it looks natural looks. And then just using my dot tool and mix like just make a dot. When it's still wet. Not bad, huh? Looks like cookies though.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jenny. You can just like scrub it.
Yeah, and any more crystal on it or no?
Crystal?
I think that look plenty, yeah.
Hmm?
It's cute already. I don't think you need crystal. You can also add it in just for fun.
You can add crystal on if you want to.
Mm-hmm.
Can you believe that nails with no crystal? Maybe right here.
Mm-hmm.
You think?
Maybe nhỏ thôi.
Just a little bit.
So,
All right. So I'm gonna key this first, and then we're gonna do some crystal, just like cookie brows. Yes, Mika.